So first video here we have the hyoid, we have the clavicle, we have the sternal end and the acromial end of the clavicle, S-shaped bone here. We have the sternum on the front, manubrium, body, and the xiphoid. And the ribs go from the first to the 12th thoracic. So we have the first rib here, second, and on their way down. The ribs are named either true, false, or floating depending on if their cartilage here articulates with the sternum. So we have the ribs 1 through 7, since they directly connect to the sternum, that will be the true ribs. And then once we get down to the bottom here and we have the last 5 ribs, they meet up and come along here and then piggyback off the cartilage here of number 7. So these 8, 9, 10, and let me turn this around a little bit, and these 2 floating ribs here are all false, but 11 and 12 are the only ones that are floating. Okay. From the back side here we can see the scapula, so different parts of it. We have the spine of the scapula. We're going to have the acromion process here that articulates with the clavicle, the coracoid process, and then the glenoid fossa. The glenoid fossa is where this humerus would articulate with this mannequin. Okay. So just a posterior view of the spine, so cervical spine, thoracic spine, and then we get down towards the bottom and we'll have lumbars here. They get larger as they come down. We'll have the sacrum in the middle, the coccyx at the end. We'll have the 2 hip bones. We'll look at this one here. So here is the ilium. Here's the iliac crest, where the femoral head goes into the hip. Here's the acetabulum. We have the ischium that we sit on, and then from the front side of the pelvis we're going to have the pubic bones and the pubic symphysis attaching onto those, or attaching those together.